We have something there. Something like a word done more somewhere there. I see. Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Irene. In case you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Yeah. So, coming live from the village. Another amazing video from my village. Yeah, so we're just going around and around, guys. Yeah, so please like this video, share with your friends, comment, and subscribe, guys. Subscribe. Yeah, subscribe. Yeah, so thank you so much, guys, and enjoy the video. I'm somewhere here. I just want to stand somewhere, then I show you the amazing view that we have over the other side. Yeah, then we call it a day. Yeah. Yes, you see, this is someone's, I don't know if it is someone's land, this place here, but we have some houses down there. I don't know if my camera can zoom, really. No, it cannot. Yeah. We have some people playing football somewhere because I can hear some music, some noise. I don't know if I should go down there. Guys, do you see this? These things that you're seeing here? Yeah, you can use this to make ropes. This one's here. And baskets. Yeah, those ones were in the village. I hope you know. Yeah. These are village fences. Very simple. Very, very simple. I want to go to that side down there. Then I see if I can find a way. Then I don't know. Let's just go. Yeah, so let me set my yes, I am here. You see, in the village, guys, you can come here and collect firewood. These are some of the firewood. This here. Collect them and you go cook. Using them. In the village, we use 3 stones to cook. Yeah. Yes. My camera is not that good, but oh my goodness, we have music to this part, and the way this part looks so good, you see? We have very loud music. Yeah. It seems like rich people are living here. Yeah. I'm telling you, we use like 3 stones to cook. I've done some videos. You see these ones? And another one. This one's here. You command them. And there are 3. Yeah, wait. This is. Huh? This must be like quite the rich side. And the security here is very, very... I told you like I'm very far from home. Yeah, so many miles away from home. Look at that gate. I see. The security lights. Yeah, everything is amazing. Whoa, look at that. This is like an estate. Yeah, something like that. But you see, Yani, you have beautiful buildings. Like inside that place, we have a very, very, very big building there. I'll try to take a picture. Sasa? Yeah? Natembea tu. Ati unitembeze? Tumepatana na wewe pale chini, si ndio? Mimi natembea tu. Hapana, niko sawa. Asante. Asante. You see here, guys. What? This is the Richest Neighborhood well. Huh? Yani very, very quiet. I want to stand somewhere here that I take a very good picture for the thumbnail. Telling you people are living life. I have come from that side, very far. You see some of our fences in the village. This is how we fence. There's a cute. Well, you know, there are like very tall buildings inside here. Okay. Yeah, some maize over there. Yeah, those amazing sounds from the birds. Yeah. Me, I'm just walking. I don't know where I am, but provided it is daytime, I will not get lost. I'll find my way back home. Yeah. Yes. We are here now. We are here now. It's a rough road here. Cross fingers for me, guys. My heart is like... We're heading to that side, then we come back. Looking for contents. Before it rains, like it wants to rain, so... We don't have a lot of people, maybe probably because it's on a Sunday. People are going to church. Sasa. You see, this road is good right now, but when it rains, when it rains, it is something else. You hear amazing sounds from the birds. Please, guys, subscribe to the channel. Give this video a like, yeah? Give this video a like, yeah? So, yeah, you hear that? Amazing sounds from the birds. Hey, amazing. Hey, I think this is someone's compound, right? Well, hey. Okay. Where am I going now? Okay. We have this one. Do we have this one? Let's just follow this one and see. We have one. Oh no, this one goes to someone's compound. Yeah. No. Go back, guys. I went to someone's compound. I can't even see far because of my eyes. No. Look, let us see. You have the electric fence here. Very nice houses over here. Hi. We have another road here. Connie. Oh, that is the hand. It goes to someone's compound. See our village houses over there? That is the hand of the road. Look at that house. Hey, that's how we get lost. Yeah, so. That was a very nice house there. Very small but simple. Simple and smart. You see that house? Like they say in this place, like getting a shamba here, like if you want to buy a shamba from this place, like for example, this one, it's very, very expensive. Yeah, very, very expensive. I've seen it by yourself, like yeah, amazing buildings here. There's so many rich people living around the area. Like me, I don't know where I'm heading to. Maybe I should go back. And also the security here, you see, very, very, very tight. I think, guys, I should go back. Yeah, guys. Hey, I don't know. Yeah, I feel like my heart is somewhere else. Oh, we have another, I don't know, another road. We'll go see. Yeah, we have another road there. We go over there. You see, guys, this is what I've been telling. Like, if it rains, when it rains at this road, you see, it rained yesterday. Yesterday was on Saturday, and it rained like the whole day. Now, see. So if it rains again today, hey, passing here is a problem. Down here. Well, today's today. Yeah, I'm just seeing people's compounds. I don't see any road warning. Okay. Security. Guys, do you hear that? You hear that sound? Yo. Yo, guys, do you hear that sound? Yo, we go back. Yo, guys, we have a... What? What? And I'm the only one here, so... We have something there. Something like a Wadanmo somewhere there. So, guys, let me just end this video here. I need to go home. Thank you so much, guys, for the support. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe. Yeah, subscribe. My heart. Like my videos, share, comment. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. See you in my next video. Bye bye. Bye.